Welcome back to Popular Gadget Items. Today, I'm reviewing the best Smartstitch embroidery machines in 2025, perfect for beginners, professionals, and home crafters. We'll break down features, performance, stitching quality, and value so you can choose the right machine with confidence. If you love embroidery, sewing, or DIY crafting, this roundup is for you. Let's dive into the Smartstitch models leading the market this year. Number 3. The Smartstitch S1001 upgraded embroidery machine is a powerful step forward for both small businesses and creative hobbyists looking for commercial-level performance in a compact body. Featuring 10 needles, a 1200 SPM max speed, and a generous 9.5-inch by 14.2-inch embroidery area, this machine handles everything from hats and t-shirts to leather, denim, bags, and more. Its upgraded system includes auto thread trimming, automatic color changes, laser positioning, thread break detection, and a quieter, more stable structure, making it smoother and more efficient than many machines in its class. The 7-inch touchscreen provides clear visualization, while the new physical buttons add better control for beginners. Smartstitch has also focused on ease of use with detailed manuals, video training, and exceptional support. Many users praise the Smartstitch community, especially the official Smartstitch Embroidery Machine Club, which offers quick troubleshooting and beginner-friendly guidance. Customer reviews highlight the machine's user-friendly design, minimal noise, and surprisingly light 93-pound frame. One user mentions they had never embroidered before yet learned quickly thanks to the support team and helpful YouTube tutorials. Another reviewer calls it a workhorse with support available nearly 24/7, including video calls from technicians during troubleshooting. With its starter pack of threads, stabilizers, and bobbins included, the Smartstitch S1001 delivers a complete professional setup right out of the box. For reliability, speed, and top-tier support, it's a standout investment for 2025. Number 2. The Smartstitch S1201 compact embroidery machine is an impressive upgrade for beginners, small businesses, and growing embroidery shops looking for commercial capabilities in a space-saving design. With 12 needles, 1200 SPM max speed, and a 9.5-inch by 12.6-inch embroidery area, this machine delivers fast, precise stitching on everything from hats and shirts to leather, denim, shoes, and bags. Despite its powerful features, the S1201 weighs only 86 pounds and maintains a compact footprint perfect for home studios or tight workspaces. The 10-inch LCD touchscreen, Wi-Fi connectivity, laser positioning, and automatic color change system make designing and stitching intuitive. Smartstitch includes excellent training materials, step-by-step videos, and real-time online support from professional engineers. Many users highlight how easy the machine is to learn, even for first-time commercial machine owners. Customer feedback is overwhelmingly positive. One reviewer praised the lightning-fast shipping, sturdy build, quiet operation, and seamless setup thanks to Smartstitch's detailed tutorials and hands-on support team. Another user shared how the S1201 helped elevate their growing craft business, delivering better speed, clean stitch quality, and valuable features like trace mode and hat stitching without paying extra for attachments. With its starter pack of threads, stabilizers, and bobbins included, the Smartstitch S1201 is a complete, professional-grade embroidery solution. For reliability, performance, and strong customer support, it's an excellent investment for 2025. Number 1. The Smartstitch S1501 commercial embroidery machine is a powerhouse designed for serious creators and growing businesses. With 15 needles, a 1200 SPM max speed, and an impressive 14-inch by 20-inch embroidery area, this machine delivers high volume, high precision production with ease. Whether you're working on flat garments, thick materials, or 3D caps, the S1501's 270 degrees wide-angle cap system, laser positioning, and automatic color change make every project faster and more accurate. The 12-inch touchscreen is extra large and extremely user-friendly, making design, editing, and machine control simple, even for beginners. Smartstitch also ensures a smooth learning experience through its active Smartstitch Embroidery Machine Club, where thousands of users and expert technicians provide guidance, tips, and real-time support. Plus, the brand offers live demo appointments, detailed manuals, and professional video training sessions to help new owners get started with confidence. Weighing 209 pounds and built with durable aluminum, the S1501 is engineered for commercial reliability. The included starter pack threads, stabilizers, and bobbin threads lets you begin stitching right away. User reviews highlight outstanding support and performance. One owner says it's their favorite machine among multiple brands, praising its reliability and customer service. Another reviewer appreciated the thorough training, noting that everything worked so flawlessly afterward that support didn't hear from them again. For performance, support, and business-ready features, the Smartstitch S1501 stands out as one of the best commercial embroidery machines of 2025. Thanks for watching. If you found this review of the Smartstitch Embroidery Machines 2025 helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech and gadget guides. Drop your questions or favorite embroidery machine in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for supporting the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.